Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything's going well. So for today's video, I have for you another makeup transformation in a model, and I love this model. I think she's so beautiful. So to begin this makeup look, I'm gonna use the Unicorn Essence by Sally to moisturize her skin, and this product smells so good. It's amazing and creates a perfect and flawless finish in the foundation. So I'm gonna spray it out all over her face using a brush by Sigma. And next I'm gonna use the Skin Tune Blur. So I apply a little bit in the center of her face before I apply the foundation. And next I'm gonna apply my favorite foundation all over her face and blend it out using the F80 brush by Sigma. I love this brush so much because it creates the most perfect and full coverage foundation coverage at the same time and looks like it's her own skin. Next, I'm gonna apply concealer. Today I'm using Vanilla by NARS. I love this concealer, especially because it's full coverage, so I have to use just a little bit of product. I'm gonna apply this concealer in the center of her face and also under her eyes. And next I'm gonna use my palette that I did using my favorite cream products to contour. So I'm gonna apply the darker shade everywhere I want to contour, sculpt, and make it appear slimmer. Also, I'm gonna use a liquid blush in her skin to create a flawless and very natural finish. So now I'm gonna just blend all the cream products in her skin, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna blend using the same kabuki brush as before. Next, I'm gonna highlight her face as I want a very natural finish. I'm gonna use the Jelly Beam highlighter by Sally, and I'm gonna apply in the highest points of her face before I set everything with the powder. So I'm gonna use this jelly highlighter, and oh my god, this is so good. Looks so flawless and very natural in her skin. So I'm gonna apply a little bit, and then I'm gonna set everything in her face using a translucent powder by Mercier. Now let's move on to the brows. I just did her brows using a pomade and also a brow gel by Sigma Beauty. I love this product, and look the difference of her brows. It looks way natural and so beautiful. Next, I'm gonna apply my favorite eyeshadow base Painterly by MAC all over her lid, and I'm gonna apply using my clean fingers. Also, I'm gonna use a neutral beige eyeshadow to highlight the brow bone and also the tear duct area of her eyes. Next, with a fluffy brush, I'm gonna apply a nude, almost light brown eyeshadow to be my transition shade. And this is the color Love Me by Motifs Cosmetics. I'm gonna change the brush and apply the same color in the lower lash line. And next, all over her lid, I'm gonna apply the color All That Glitters by MAC. And this is a very interesting color because it's nothing and everything at the same time, because it's a nude eyeshadow but also is a little bit rosy. It's a shimmery eyeshadow, but there is no glitter at all, and it's just a little bit of shine. I don't know, just is so beautiful. So I want to use the shade all over the lid, and to highlight the inner corner of her eyes, I'm gonna use the color Dazzlelight, also by MAC. And next, to darken this look a little bit, I'm gonna apply just a little bit of black eyeshadow in the roots of the lashes, just to add a little more drama in this makeup look that is very soft and very light. This is a step that you can skip if you want, but I really like it. Next, I'm gonna apply a little bit of lip balm in her lips to moisturize, and then I'm gonna apply a liquid lipstick right on top, and this is Aries by Ochre Cosmetics. To add a little more shine, I'm gonna apply Lip Store by Huda Beauty. And to finish off this makeup look, I'm gonna use the setting spray Slay All Day by George Cosmetics, and this is the fragrance Peach. And this is how I finished this look. I really love how the look turned out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you'll love it much as I did. So stay tuned for more in my channel. Also like this video if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to make sure that you get all the news when I upload it. Thank you so much for watching again, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Mwah. Bye!